Ayan niyo po, basahin ko po muna yung statement of the minority bloc, House of Representatives. We, the members of the minority bloc in the House of Representatives, acknowledge the gravity of the allegations raised by former Apo Bicol Representative Zaldico regarding purported irregularities in the 2025 national budget, coupled with alleged deliveries of huge amounts of kickbacks to high officials of the government. While these grave accusations should merit serious consideration by the proper investigative agencies, former Representative Co's statements, which were circulated through social media, no matter how sensational or widely circulated, do not constitute admissible evidence that can withstand judicial scrutiny. Accordingly, we issue the following calls. First, we urge former Representative Zaldico to return to the country and reduce his statements into an affidavit to be duly subscribed under oath before the proper authorities. Doing so will not only allow due process to take its course, enabling a proper evaluation of the merits or demerits of his claims, while affording him the opportunity to respond to the equally serious accusations against him. Second, we ask the institutional authorities of both the Senate of the Philippines and the House of Representatives and other relevant agencies, including the Philippine National Police, to guarantee the former representative's safety and security upon his return, so that he may freely and fully participate in any pending and future investigations of any case or matter where his testimony may be relevant, or where the authorities may require evidence within his possession or knowledge, and or where he may opt to present his defenses, if any. Third, we join the call to urgently enact into law the bill to create the Independent Commission Against Infrastructure Corruption, an independent, non-partisan, and broad-based body to investigate and recommend the prosecution of cases of corruption in the infrastructure projects. Amid the public clamor for transparency and accountability in the ongoing investigations of cases of corruption related to the misuse of funds for flood control and other infrastructure projects, former Representative Zaldico has to come back to the country at the soonest possible time. The Filipino people deserve the whole truth, demand a reckoning, and cry out for justice. This statement po has been signed by the members of the minority bloc, 28 members of the minority under the leadership po of Minority Leader Nonoy Libanan. So,